Good afternoon. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, hi Puja.
Hi.
You're audible. Yes. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Can you turn on camera?
Yeah, sure. Now it's fine?
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah, okay.
So could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. Myself Puja. I'm from Bihar. I have done my MCA in 2022 from Sarve Pali Radha Krishna University, Bhopal with 70 percentage. And I have started my career in 2020 from 2020 in IT sector. I have started my career in 2021 from and my current organization is Clover Infotech, and currently I am working with technology like Core Java, Spring MVC, Servlet, JDBC, and Spring Boot, Java 8 feature, OOPS concept, and I have also little bit work on front-end technology like JavaScript, HTML, and
Okay.
yeah, and also I have worked on multiple projects accordingly to in my office requirement. One of the project like Streamline 2.7.0 belongs to marketing domain. As a developer, I was responsible to develop marketing app for my client to perform end-to-end automation. Some of the important modules in this project were like the module contact module and billing module.
Fine.
So in this project, my roles and responsibilities: installing MySQL database and creating database schema, and developing view using JSP and JSTL tags, and developing entity class, developing controller layer in Spring Boot, and configurations to be done using application.properties file, and testing API using Postman, and sometimes I have
Fine, that's okay. So overall you have 3 years of experience, right?
yes.
So in all the 3 years you have developed the code or you worked for the support few times for some time?
No. Actually, when I have joined that time, in 3 years, included internship, training, everything.
Okay. Fine, that's okay. Uh, so which version of Java you are using?
I'm using Java 8 version.
Yeah.
And it's Java 17, but in my office I have used like only Java 8. Java 17.
Java 17 is the latest one, right?
No. Java 7, Java 22, and I'm not sure. Java 22 I am sure, but not latest I'm sure. Which is
Being a Java developer, it should be a perfect. So it is the latest version.
comes again.
Being a Java developer, it should be. It is better to know, right? What is the latest version? What's going on in the market?
Yeah. Actually, in my office, Java 17, sorry, Java 11 and Java 8 going on. So I'm working with Java 8 only right now. So I'm not
Fine, no issues. So why do you, if you have other language, why do you prefer Java language? Do you have any better justification to choose Java?
I'm choosing Java, and Java is popular language, and also in marketing demand is very high for Java. And
Okay.
in my college time, from my college time, I have interested in Java. That's why.
Okay. Okay, if you compare Java and Python, so what is the best thing which we have in the Java? Because if you know, so in the AIML, as far as that is concerned, so most of the people choosing Python only. So still we are using Java because
No,
of the
I'm interested in Java because of I'm means Java is easy for me.
because you like Java, you work on Java.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, just a second, we'll go with the basics questions, core concepts.
Yeah, sure.
How do you rate in Java technology out of 10?
At least I will give 8 out of 10.
Nice. And what about front-end technology?
Actually, in front-end technology, I have learned in college time, but I have a little bit work in my office on JavaScript only.
JavaScript.
Yes, and HTML.
Okay, fine.
But my strong part is Spring Boot.
Huh.
Uh,
Okay. So we'll go with the Java basics. Okay. So whenever you have the .java file, okay.
yeah.
So if you click on the run, you might have run in IDE, right?
Yes. Yes.
The code in the IDE. So if you click on the run, what happens internally? So till let's assume you have just hello world program.
Yes.
You have printed just SOP that this print hello world,
Yes.
and you click on the just run button.
Yeah.
If you click on that, what happens internally?
Actually, JDK means Java Development Kit, JRE means Java Runtime Environment, and JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Okay.
Okay.
So JDK is responsible for develop Java application, and JRE responsible for run the environment, and JVM is virtually run the code, and JVM is verify the code, and it converts byte code into machine code. So JVM internally
Okay, fine.
internally
So
work-
first, yeah, we continue.
so JVM internally run the code. If I yeah.
Who is responsible to convert normal code into the bytecode?
Java is JVM is responsible for convert a byte code into machine code.
What compiler will do?
Comes again.
What compiler will do? Do you know concept of compiler?
Yeah. Means I'm not understanding.
You are not getting what is the meaning?
Yeah, I'm getting your voice, but I'm not understanding what exactly you are asking. You are
Okay,
want
fine.
to answer.
Okay. Do you know Java compiler?
Java compiler, yeah.
So what is the use of Java compiler? Why do you require them?
Java compiler, basically it will be compiler means like it will be JVM is JVM is run to na Java. Hello.
Yeah, I can face.
It will be like source code, and it converts code into byte code stored as a dot class file, and byte code is like yeah.
Okay.
Basically,
So we
Java
can say-
compiler it will be JVM it will be convert byte code into machine code, and Java compiler like JDK is responsible for develop the Java application. So it be
What is the difference between JDK and JRE?
JDK Java Development Kit, and JRE Java Runtime Environment, and JDK is responsible for develop Java application, and and it contains JRE plus development tools, and basically tools and JRE basically used for run Java application, and it contains JVM plus code library, and JRE basically does not include like compiler or development tools, only required for run Java program.
Okay. What is the difference between interface and the abstract class?
Interface basically 100% is incomplete, and abstract class 0 to 100% is complete, and interface 100% is incomplete, and abstract 0 to 100% is incomplete. Interface 100% is incomplete means under interface I will write only incomplete method. I am not write in a complete method. Complete method means incomplete method means method body is not required. When I will declare at the rate when I will declare incomplete method method body is not required. Only I will close the method with semicolon. But Java 8 feature provide complete to write the complete method under interface. That time I am using Java default keyword. By default keyword I can using default keyword I can write the complete method under interface. Abstract class like provides it can abstract can non-abstract methods.
Okay.
And variables can be of any access modifier, and a class like can extend only one abstract class.
Okay. So, so consider you are running the applications, okay?
Yeah.
And we are using the pom.xml. Do you know pom.xml where we
Yeah.
mention the dependencies?
Yeah, pom.xml
One
suppose.
second, let me
Yeah.
complete. Okay. So in this case, whatever we have mentioned, why do we mention a few dependencies in the pom.xml? What is the reason?
In my thought, reason is like when I have developed any means when I develop any project, that times I need to suppose I have developed one project. That times I have need to connect database. If I will want to connect database, that time I will use MySQL database dependencies. It will be provides automatically internally. It will be work, and no any need to require manually, like I not need to require to write the manually code. It will be help me to reduce the number of line of code. If I will add in a dependency like MySQL database to connect the database. If I use Spring Boot provide everything. And if I will use Spring Data JP, it will be Spring Data JP. It will be performs database operations, everything like CRUD operation, delete, read, update. So it will be required if I will not in starting time if I will not add dependency after when I will require any
Okay, fine, I understood. So if you are running the code in the local, okay?
Yes.
You have defined a few libraries. It's like these dependencies.
Yes.
Where these libraries will store in local system? Any path? You are using Maven, right?
Maven. I have worked both Maven and Ant also.
Maven
Ant and yeah.
Okay.
Maven.
Let's consider Maven.
Yeah.
So we have to say main example to store the adding the dependencies. We want some other libraries or other code, so that will be loaded into our machines. Okay. We require the supporting files or the supporting project to work upon. Okay. So there is a specific place, or whenever you are running the code on local, all the libraries will get, all the jar file will get stored into that particular place. So what is that? A path of it.
Can you come again?
Okay. Whenever the dependency, the whole agenda of dependencies, loading the jar. Okay.
Yes.
That you understood?
Yes.
If you click on the, if you can you ever tried build operation Maven build or Maven clean install?
Yes.
So what happens if you click on Maven clean install, or if you run the Maven clean install?
Actually, Maven required to build the project. Okay. If I have worked on I have worked multiple accordingly requirement in my office. Sometimes I have worked on Maven project. Sometimes I have work on Ant project. And in Ant provides like very means very it automatically like. Uh, Maven like it will be it decrease everything to avoid the lengthy code. It will be automatically build the project.
Okay.
Build the code, sorry.
So have you ever anytime heard about M2 repository?
Yeah, M2, yeah, M2 for you want to M2 repository. Code is like download in M2 folder. So if I will any changes, if I will any I want to any see the code, I can go in M2 folder. I can
Okay, fine. So if you want to
download the means Maven build the code in M2 folder.
okay, fine. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure. My screen is visible to you,
Not it.
but
Yeah, it is. So open any ID or Notepad++.
can I use online compiler?
Okay, if you are comfortable, you can use it. But the code is a little different. Probably you might prefer to use ID only. But if you are comfortable, you can use online compiler.
Okay, just I am open the Eclipse IDE.
Hmm. Just understand the scenario.
Yeah.
You have 1 million transactions in a table.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in 1 million transaction, what you have to identify, that is 1 day transactions. Okay.
Okay.
So the transaction class, there is one transaction class and a transaction table. So same entity class you can say.
Okay.
And it has user ID and the amount
Okay.
and the timestamp. Timestamp means where you will store the date and time, everything.
Okay.
Are getting this till here? Are you clear till here?
No, can you come again?
Okay. You have one class
Okay.
and the table. The table is the same, it is an entity, okay? So you are using the entity class and the respective table. So
Okay.
transaction table. It has 1 million data.
Okay.
Here what you have to do is, you have to identify and each day what is the highest amount or each user is paying the, what is the amount, overall amount it is paying. Like assume, so consider the phone pay and the Paytm.
Okay.
Right? So you are paying so many transactions, you are doing so many transactions, okay? You are paying some bills and paying to your friend, everything. But end of the day, I want to know how much amount you have spent. Are you getting or not?
Yeah, I'm getting, but I'm not aware. Actually, I have worked on. I'm not working with banking domain. I have worked with
No,
market.
it's not about banking. It is, you can say, you can consider anything. So what is your domain?
My domain is marketing domain.
Okay, marketing only. You can consider if you have the marketing domain, definitely there might be chances of the how much product you are sending, right?
Yeah.
So consider it is to convert amount will be as it is. Instead of user ID, the product ID will be there. You have to identify what are the products you have sent so far. You have multiple products. At the end of the day, you have to identify what are the products sent, how many products are sent. Like if you are considering the marketing of electronic shop,
Yeah.
so there how many Samsung TV is sold out and what is the price overall, I'm asking, and how many fridges are consumed and what is the total amount. I want to write a code for this. No?
I'm sorry, I'm not able to write this code. It's very difficult.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm done with your interview. Any questions?
No.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you so much.